morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. If today is the first day you see my face, welcome. My name is Stella, mom of 3 and a wife. Okay, me and my family we live for Torino, Italy. So guys, this now morning. The time now is 11 a.m. in the morning, guys. So guys, my tripod all break. Oh, hey, my tripod all break yesterday. Oh. So I'll see if I'll manager, just to do video now. Later I'll go buy. So my husband they come out and one go pick goat. Yes, the last one we buy the last time, he just finished 3 days ago. He finished 3 days ago. So yeah, he want to buy another one. And I like him, it's better. This one now he spent almost about 3 months plus. Yes, it lasts us. So it's better than because they go market they buy every week or every time. It's better. So before you come out, he tell me to make a prepare. It's an eggplant sauce. So if you come back, make it use the yam tater. So lucky now we just get one for us. We remain for us. So yeah, now I just quick prepare before you go come back. So my show now. So guys, yeah, this now the eggplant. This now the one we remain. So onions. I mean fresh pepper, habanero pepper. Now 3. This pepper is very hot, and guys, this pepper is very hot. Then 3 of that one, the yam. So yeah, now what I just want quick, just prepare. Okay, sharp before you go come back. What I want just quick do this morning. Keep on watching, guys. Keep on watching. Do not go anywhere. Stay connected. If you never subscribe to this channel, what do you still wait for? Please subscribe, join the family. Now pidgin English with the talk for trust me, you go enjoy. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So guys, yeah, so this now the eggplants now don't cook. See, if you don't cook, you can't go down like this. So now just remove the water. Okay, then I'll come back and show now what I'll do next. So guys, I don't remove the water. So right now I'll take this empty tin cup. Yeah, this now tomatoes cup. So empty one. So I will just use and mash them like this. Yeah, so I just use and mash them like this. Guys, I don't throw. So this now how it looks like. So I go transfer and put for this plate now, because now this pot I want to cook. Yeah, so I'll just transfer and put for inside this plate. Yeah, like this. Let me hear what is it? So guys, this now how it looks like. So yeah, so I'll set them aside. So I want just to rinse the pot. So my people, I will add small red oil, a little bit of red oil, then groundnut oil. So I'll put onions now. So guys, so I'll put the blended pepper, onions. Yeah. So I'll cover them, make it fry. So my people, so this now smoked mackerel fish. It's already washed and deboned, so I'll add them now. And I'll go stir. Seasoning cube. salt. So guys, so now I will have the eggplants. Instead, yummy. So guys, I'll garnish them with some egg. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Then I will just taste for salt. Oh my god. So guys, I'll put a little bit of salt. So I only want to make it steam for like 2 to 3 minutes. Bring it down. Yes. Brian, I'm coming. You're hungry? Yeah, wait, let me come and fry plantain. Then you take it on. So guys, this is how it looks like. It's so yummy, guys. So yummy. Guys, try this eggplant sauce. So now I'll come back and testify. It's so cute. It's so sweet, eh? So delicious. My children say that plantain, they want to eat their own. No. So I just say my quick fry plantain for them. Yeah. So now what I just do now. Just the cook finish now. So right now I want to go take my bath. Okay, I'm so tired. I want to go shower, then shower the children. So if we shower finish, then we go eat. Yeah, so yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, see you guys later. Probably when my husband don't come. Okay, I'll show you the meeting back. Okay, see you later, guys. My beautiful girl. So guys, my husband just they come back now. This now the goat's meat. Oh my god, it's so plenty. It's so plenty. Really plenty. So this now the head. This head big. So this now the intestine. All the intestine are the day here. So everything just there, the leg, everything. Menu. So yeah, I just make a quick show now. So now I want to begin the wash them.
Sexy ladies, come back. Now the love way I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Fear nobody, only Jehovah. I dey thank God, I dey go far. No same but muda labor. Shout to me in the corridor. Bandana loli biti tupac. Midnight walkers karashika. Them never see me coming. Coming. Where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. Where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Come back. Not the love where I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Fear nobody, only Jehovah. I dey thank God, I dey go far. No same but muda labor. Shout to me, the Korodu. Bandana loli biti tupa. Midnight walkers, Karashika. Them never see me coming. Coming. Where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. Where one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy.
So guys, I just tie the goat meat finish now. It's so plenty. This one are the head, this one are the leg. I dey like am with pepper soup. So this now the intestine. So yeah, so now the god be this. So I go arrange am put for this bag. I will just arrange them put for this bag. Each time I want just use them, so I just have to just carry one come out, cut some again to my size because I dey like to cut my goat meat small hand. The way they take cut am come is too big, so I just cut am small to my size. Then wash am again. So yeah, so now started the do am. So now the meat be this so big, guys. The goat really big. Anyway, so may I just quick package and then I go put am inside freezer.